Good afternoon. Today, 27 July 2026, and right now time is 12:08 p.m. Presently, I am in Hatimara under Purbo Champachora, Tulasukar Agri Subdivision. So this is scented rice. Variety grown here is Kalikasha, and he's the owner of this plot, Shapon Deborma, and he's also one of the BUD member, board of director member of MOBCDNER Phase 3. So let me ask a few questions that how much area he has transplanted this Kalikasha variety under MOBCDNER and other related things. Let me know from the owner of this plot, Shapon Deborma. Angkai da Shapon ni na jaga je total koi kani tongon chakamo na?
Approx 1 hectare.
1 hectare. 1 hectare ni bisingo busuk koi kani borpai khatak porjonto.
Tabuk pray ontoto 4 kani moto borpai ka.
4 kani jotono Kalikasha no?
Kalikasha ma.
Kalikasha bisingo abartisa line swing bo khaja.
Line swing khaja.
Nini kai total je o jaga tongmani 1 hectare approx 1 hectare purano kai nai.
Kalikasha pura kai nai.
Te busuk borna to ho?
Te pray 1 kani.
1 kani hai tong ho.
1 kani.
Ngene borbai kha.
Borbai ka.
Kalikasha bade te onno variety bode mai khai.
Onno variety to modumalti kisa to.
Modumalati.
Modumalti. Abo scented rice no.
Acha abo mane fertilizer sara no khayo.
Fertilizer sara joto no.
Organic no.
Organic.
Angkai nino jaga je charan boyos ke busuk lamo.
Pray 15 days, 14 days apti.
14-15 din boyos. Angkai early stage no kai kha. Modumalati bodo line no swing khayo no.
Joto line swing.
Nino da je overall je tongmani joto motamuti busuk area bango jaga nung sarate kojon khainai tong.
Ani sara to teoro duijona tongo duijona khai bongni kije komta pray ate 2 kani 1.5 kani ate rokai theu.
2 kani 1.5 kani hai. Angkai mon nung ko thanai bosoro khai busuk rate rokma khaw jaga je phale.
Thanai rate to pray per kilo 70,000 70 rupees manga per kilo.
Per kilo bus mai de phal na bus li je.
Kalikasha.
Engko mai de na
Mai
rung de na engko.
Mai
Islam 70 rupees.
70 rupees per kilo.
Mana engko ta pedita rice ta.
Mai
Islam. Engkai mo to samni bungui engko khaijak mo chini engko BUD member khai apni missis ni bungui de.
Ani misses ni bungu tongo te angni jibo tongo.
Tam singa mo bungu.
Jemis tongo puro.
Acha face puro tongo.
Face puro ang trio tongo ta.
Acha.
Duty member da.
Acha engkai nin cultivator hisobo tongo nin bung. Dakon hambai da sopon. So this is Kalikasha variety aromatic rice under MOBCD NER Phase 3 Mission Organic Value Chain Development in Northeastern region, and this plot belongs to Shapon Deborma under MOBCD Phase 3, and he's also one of my BUD member, board of director member of MOBCDNER Phase 3, and here he is our circle in charge, Surojit Deborma, and he is a sector officer. So altogether the total area is 1 hectare area, and today also actually they start transplanting from early in the morning, and another 1 kani, and it will be finished by today. So altogether here busuk jaga nini bade te kojon bor khayung kamo jaga
Pray ate half hectare nganta.
mane 1.5 hectare tong. So altogether here in this cluster we are having 1.5 hectare this Kalikasha paddy variety, and last year he sold to the department at the rate of rupees 70 per kg of seed. That is actually paddy seed, not the rice. So jodi mai ko sugui phalkai busuk kai man ro busuk ra phal
110 120
atiro kai phalo
per kg.
send butai tong ka ham de tong.
Ekdom first class sen. Kalikasha.
Since this plot is belongs to under organic mission, so the cultivator didn't apply any chemical fertilizer, but some this prom and other thing will be giving shortly. So if he mill the rice and if he sell to the local market, he used to get around 100 to 120 rupees per kg. But as a seed, he is getting around 70 rupees as a government approved rate. Ngai thanai bosor busuk rikha da sopon.
Ang thanai pray deremti moto.
Deremti hai rikha. 70 টাকা এইটা ngai taklai ki nung tebo expectation high de nin busoro mana
mana na sa uta
teksa mane folon mo kaham ngane ne
tekisa red mana ne mai
Acha.
te pholu nai ma tu jori ti di mo to mai ka phoi pholu
taklai khai ko khai khaya de horinaren ki khaya de
phoi na ran takai khalia
modu malati kisa tongo abo khai busu khai
mudu mal dike ekani
ekani. So beside this Kalikhasa variety, he has shown another this aromatic paddy that is called Modumalati. And
mudu mal dike kali
Modumalati ni scent ke butai kaham de.
same kali khasa bai sein ekdom awote kisa fast phayo bisi
To se bai se motom na. So whatever the production come, will be purchasing from him, and since he is also one of the board of director member of MOBCD near phase 3, so we expect that we'll be getting a good yield from this plot. And the age of this seedling is only 14 to 15 days, and it already transplanted. And today also one kani plot is transplanted is going on since from early morning. But let's see. Most of the labor for their this lunch break, they have went home. So I thanks all my cultivator involved in this MOBCD year, this phase 3, for doing this Kalikhasa variety of paddy as well as Horinaran also. But since Mr. Shopon Deborma is having 1 hectare area of this Kalikhasa variety and 1 kani of Modumalati variety. So I wish all the best for getting a good yield, and he can able to earn more income compared to previous year. So with this great expectation, once again I thanks each and every farmer for doing this aromatic paddy rice under MOBCD near phase 3. Thank you.